Wastewell Proprietary Limited has defined a very specific roadmap for successfully implementing real solutions within the landfill, waste and wastewater environment. With 20 years industry experience, our environmental consultants are solving tomorrow's waste issues today. Grant Lacey, founder and director of Wastewell Proprietary Limited, has 20 years industry experience through all levels, both private and government. Because of this, Grant has seen and identified many operational issues with practicing methods. His ability to bridge the gap between engineers and operations has assisted him in creating innovative and practical solutions for this industry. Wastewell's assessment criteria for any new product or invention is that it must improve operational ease, safety, compliance, benefit the community and be cost effective to stakeholders. Our signature products include the landfill lid, currently in use with over 35 councils, EveryTip, Tipwell, on-site water leachate treatment odour products and other products.
I initially thought they were a great idea simply because the Section 88 levy the state government has introduced to the landfilling. Section 88 levy is a levy that was introduced by the state government of New South Wales beginning of last financial year at a cost of $10 per tonne for everything that goes onto the landfill side of the landfill. It increases by $10 each year until it reaches a fee of $70 per tonne. They've assisted us greatly with the time in the afternoon the operator spends on the landfill covering. He now can do it in approximately about 20 minutes with the whole 8 lids that we use, where it used to take him to about 2 to 2.5 hours each afternoon to try and cover the landfill properly to save any wind-blown rubbish. Assisted us greatly in the operations and money saved. Simply the amount that we used to have to pay for the clean fill going to the landfill, the time that the operator takes to put the lids on the landfill compared to what it used to take him to cover it. I would definitely advise that they purchase the lids simply because of the cost savings to the material you lose on the landfill and to the operator's time in the afternoon. They're more than happy using the lids because they basically find that they're actually finishing on time these days, where they used to finish probably about 5:30 in the afternoon. They're now up at the landfill weighbridge area about 10 to 5 in the afternoon, time to wash up, and they're out the gate by 5 o'clock. Grant was able to adapt each of the machinery so they could be fitted straight to the landfill lids without having to change anything. So I did find it very helpful, simple reason that we have a number of machinery on the landfill that we use, and as well as the operators were showing the correct way to placing the landfill lids on and off the landfill without doing any sort of damage whatsoever to the landfill lids.
The first time I heard about the landfill lids, there was a trial at Great Lakes Council, so I was very interested in that. And the second time when we started talking seriously about them was at the Waste 2009 conference at Coffs Harbour, where I actually met Grant and discussed the possibility of the lids for our site. I think that's the most important thing in regards to Grant's operation, is that not only did we purchase the lid, if we can use those words, the after-sales service was marvellous, instrumental in the implementation of the lids, the instructions to the operators and myself. It was very much a rewarding exercise. Since we've installed the lids, we've reduced our bird migration population by approximately 60%. We looked at tarping type equipment and also equipment that sprays a substance over the cell face. In the end we chose Wastewell's product purely from the operator's point of view, and after consultation with them it was found that it was a much easier operation, it was a much quicker operation. There was also factors to consider in regards to the Section 88 Waste and Environment levy. There was no need to actually provide any cover material as in soil and purchase that material. But I think they've been very successful on our landfill.
Using the landfill lids allows council to save valuable landfill space by not having to use clean fill as cover material. This assists to extend the life of the landfill, which is a great benefit to the community. And this initiative also demonstrates council's commitment to meet our obligations for the sustainable waste management practices as outlined in council's Manning Valley Community Plan. Ratatari City Council would most certainly welcome international visitors to the Manning Valley to view this waste management facility. It would allow us to showcase our council facilities and the beautiful, pristine natural areas of the Manning Valley. Also to show the innovative ideas in the alternate waste technologies for the treatment of waste, increasing resource recovery and community education.
Wastewell Proprietary Limited's consultants will design your landfill management plan with the environment the #1 priority when implementing one or many of our products. You will see significant results with minimal disruption to the day-to-day running of your landfill site. We have many new products which are strong in concept, strong in design. The patented landfill lid crane system is for landfills over 100,000 tonnes per annum and is suitable for medium to mega landfills worldwide. The landfill lid crane system works out less than 40 cents per square metre over the life of the system. The landfill lid crane system is the only daily cover that captures and treats fugitive gases, which is essential under new emissions obligations. Using the landfill lid crane system as pictured will reduce VENM usage to less than 8% combined with a VENM recovery system. The triangle-shaped side lids can have litter fences attached and are used to guide traffic during the day. Streamline your costs and improve your bottom line with the perfect parallel piped cell movement for maximum landfill efficiency. We can design the system to suit your individual needs. We have highly experienced and professional operations consultants that can assist in the evaluation and implementation to save you millions.